Good. The second course that I'm teaching is like an anti-fast fashion course. That's what it's called. What we're going to do is explore our own sense of style. We're going to go really deep. Everyone is going to have their own favorite colors, own favorite shapes, fabrics for whatever reason. It could be your culture. It could be, of course it's your culture. It's what you're exposed to and what movies you really liked and what celebrities you admire, what books you follow, poetry that has inspired you. We're going to collect all this information, and each person is going to have their own, booklet. A booklet or poster that shows their own personality. And from this personality, we're going to explore changing some clothing to make it more reflective of our personality. And we're going to find meaning in clothing, and we're going to put back, we're going to fix and make beautiful, we're going to alter. For instance, I find this so gorgeous, so beautiful, but I wouldn't wear this piece. How am I going to reinterpret this cardigan that is about 4 sizes too big for me? The shoulder looks like it could, although it's a set-in sleeve. See the way there's these very nice stylized increases or decreases, this shaping. It's a set-in sleeve, yet it's going to be too big for me. So how can I maintain the integrity of the beauty of this garment, yet change it in order to reflect my personality? So this is what we're going to do, and in the anti-fast fashion, because we have enough in North America of clothing. We have enough clothing, we have enough textiles, we have enough plastic, we have enough things. But let's go into our wardrobe and see what we haven't worn in a long time, what we really admire, what we love. Do we have any sentimentality on any garments or accessories that we have that we aren't using as much as we have been? Can we bring those pieces back into our day-to-day? Can we find a pride in returning these pieces into our day-to-day? And this is what the anti-fashion is about. We're going to explore a couple of really key movements in fashion, in sustainability, in design, in designers. We're going to go into that briefly, but again, this is student-led, and I will give you some skills and some ideas to think about. It's going to be so exciting, and I hope that you register at the Ottawa School of Art. Go into courses, registration, type in TWISS, hit enter, and you'll find the 2 courses.